Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 7 measurement part 6. Then first second part of the measurement weight. Weight, the second part of the measurement is weight. We purchase what is the weight of this duster, what is the weight of this pen, what is the weight of your chair, table, what is weight of what is the weight of our maths notebook, what is the weight of our book. These are, you purchase also in rice, sugar, these are the weight, mass. Then the basic unit of weight is gram. The basic unit of weight is gram. The measurement table of weight is first here kg. Kg means kilogram. Then Hg, hectogram. In previous class we already learned about the length of the measurement, that is kilometer. The meter is avoid, then instead of meter we write gram. Kilogram, hectogram, then decagram, then gram, then decigram, then centigram, then milligram. Again say kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. The biggest unit, the bigger unit is kilogram. What is kilogram? In bulk of we purchase any rice, wheat, any or grains, any we purchase the bulk of we write kg. Then we write the smallest unit of weight, mass is milligram. Milligram. This is in tablet. This is in. These are the measurement of weight. How to use, how to convert? Yes, bigger to smaller, we multiply. Bigger to smaller, we multiply. The distance between kilogram and hectogram is 10. We multiply by 10. Again, hectogram and decagram, we multiply by again 10, then again 10, then again 10, then here also 10, here also 10. Then now we kilogram into hectogram, we multiply by 10, kilogram into decagram, we 10, 100, we multiply by 100, kilogram into gram, kilogram into gram, the distance 10, 100, 1000, we multiply by 1000. Then gram into decigram, gram into decigram, we multiply by 10, gram into centigram, we multiply by 100, gram into milligram, we multiply by 1000. Now milligram into centigram, then here, this in divide, smaller to bigger, we divide. This divide by 10. Here divide by again 10. Here divide by 10. Here divide by 10. Then here also divide by 10. Here divide by 10. Then now milligram into centigram. milligram is smaller unit, then centigram is bigger. Smaller to bigger, we divide according to your unit. Milligram into gram, milligram, milligram into gram, we divide by 10, 100, 1000. We divide by 1000. Now, gram into kilogram, gram into kilogram, we divide by 1000. Understand you? Now, kilogram into gram, again kilogram into gram. How many steps we move? 10, 100, 1000. We multiply by 1000. Now, conversion of, understand you? Conversion of, first convert kilogram into gram. First convert kilogram into gram. 3 kg into gram. 3 kg into gram. Here our kg, we go to gram here. Now, how many steps we move? 10, 100, 1000. Multiply or divide? Bigger to smaller, we multiply. Then 1 kg solution. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Therefore, how many kg we have? 3 kg is equal to 3 into 1000 is equal to 3 1 ja. Only you multiply the number. 3 1 ja 3. How many 0 put here? 3 0. 3000 gram. Next, we erase this. Now, convert 7 kg into gram. Kg into gram. We multiply by 1000. First you write the measurement unit of weight. What is the unit? Here kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, decigram, centigram and milligram. Here kilogram to gram. We multiply 10, 100, 1000. We multiply by 1000. 1 kg is equal to 1 kg is equal to how many gram? 1000 gram. Then we have how many kg we have? 7 kg. 7 kg is equal to 7 multiply 1000 is equal to 7 1 ja 7. How many 0 put? 3 0. Understand? Then 5 kg 250 gram into gram. Now change our number. 5 kg 200 gram 250 gram into gram. Kg into gram. Kg into gram, we multiply by 1000. Kg into gram, we multiply by 1000. Then solution 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. Then we have 5 kg 250 50 gram is equal to 5 multiply 1000 gram plus gram into gram, that is multiplied by 1, that is 250 gram. Understand you? 5 kg 250 gram is equal to 5 multiply 1000 plus 250 gram, that is 5 1 ja 5. Then how many 0? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros also, right? Plus 250 gram. This gram also you write. Now you add this number 5000 plus 250. Then 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 2, 2. Then 5. Answer is 5250 gram. Understand you? One more question. Now, gram into, next question, 4 gram into milligram. Now change our question. Gram into milligram. Where is our gram? This gram into milligram. The distance is 10, 100, 1000. Then bigger to smaller, multiply. Then solution 1 gram. 1 gram is equal to how many milligram? 1000 milligram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. We have how many gram? We have 4 gram. 4 gram is equal to 4 multiply 1000 milligram is equal to, only you multiply by 4 and 1. 4 1 ja 4. How many 0 here? 3 zeros. You put in the right hand of the side of the number. Then you are right. How many? 4000 milligram. Then now another question. Convert. This is our heading. 4 gram 115 milligram into milligram. Gram into milligram. Here gram into milligram, we multiply by 1000. Then solution 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. We have how many gram here? 4 gram. 4 gram 115 milligram is equal to 4 multiply, then gram into milligram, what do we do? Gram into milligram multiply by 1000. Then 4 into 1000 mg, mg means milligram, plus 115 mg. Now you multiply 4 and 1. 4 1 ja. 4 1 ja 4. How many zeros left here? 3 zeros. You put here mg plus 115 mg. Now you add these two numbers. 4000 plus 115. Then add 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, then 4. You are right, 4115 mg. Understand you? Now, I give some homework for you. Do question 2A to F of exercise 7.5. Okay? Thank you.